Hi, Project System is one of the key modules of SAP to perform project and portfolio management. It helps you to manage the project lifecycle starting from structuring to planning, execution until the project completion. SAP Project System is a project management tool, so you should know at least a little bit about project management. Here a super quick overview. A project is a unique undertaking with a distinct beginning and end, and usually with a budget. Operations, on the other hand, is the same work repeated over time, like corporate accounting or work on a factory production, etc. So, SAP Project System is a robust tool for managing the projects integrated with other SAP modules like logistics, material management, sales and distribution, plant maintenance, and production planning modules. This includes billing, selling, and shipping of the goods and services required in project lifecycle. So let's get a quick overview of the course with SAP Certified Project System Professional, Mr. Naveen Kumar. Let's go ahead. So let's begin with the introduction about the project. We'll be understanding about the project builder and project planning board. So project system is a part of an SAP solution of project and portfolio management. Project system helps you to manage the project through the entire life cycle, from setting up a structure to drawing up a detailed plan to execute and complete the project. Because of its integration into financial and logistic core enterprise process, project system can especially be used for large and complex projects such as construction, production, maintenance, investment, or cost projects in all industries. So coming on to the project structures, in project system, you can use work-driven structure and networks to structure your project hierarchically or using network techniques. Milestones and documents help you to mark project events of particular interest and document your project appropriately. You can set up project structures manually or based on the templates. Project structures can also be created automatically from sales documents to or from the C projects. For example, you can use access control list, partner data, and person responsible, and you easily can define the authorizations and responsibilities for project elements. And understanding of the project scheduling, we can see the progress tracking and project planning board. So coming into this, project system provides various date planning functions. Flexible scheduling techniques can be used to calculate earliest or latest dates, floats, or critical paths within the project. Dependent dates such as the requirement dates of material, services, or capacities, billing dates, or period of planned cost can automatically be derived from the planned dates. Comparing forecasted, planned, and actual dates, you can easily identify deviations from your project plan. Additional tools such as the progress tracking, subnetwork monitor, simulations, or milestone analysis enables you to manage the dates of your project efficiently. Understanding the capacity and workforce planning. Networks in project systems enable you to plan, analyze, and level work center based capacity requirements of your project. You can use simulation versions for what if analysis of the project schedule and capacity requirements. For detailed workforce planning, you can assign authorized organization units or individual period resources to work package of your project. Because of the tight integration of the project system to human capital management, you can directly access the availability or even qualifications of employees if required during the workforce planning. Coming on to the material and external service plannings, material components in the project builder and service specifications. Here you can assign material components to networks. You can plan material requirements based on your project schedule, check the material availability, and trigger the material procurement and deliver later on. Functions such as the project specific bills of the material, bills of material transfer, the open catalog interfaces or integrations to integrated product and process engineering IPPE help you to manage to plan materials efficiently in project systems. In order to plan external services, you can directly use purchase info records, outline agreements, or service specifications for material management in project systems. The Open Catalog interface allows you to select services also from the internal and external catalogs. Financial planning. So here we can perform overall cost planning and easy cost planning. You can use various techniques for planning the cost and revenues in project system depending on your financial planning requirements. So the cost planning capabilities, for example, range from overall cost planning to easy cost planning or detailed network costing. Sales pricing help you to create quotations for customer projects based on the planned cost. Project milestones can be used to derive billing dates automatically from the project schedule. Project system cash management also allows you to plan and monitor incoming and outgoing projects payments in the project. Budget management. Budget is the approved cost structure for a project. You can allocate budget to projects in investment management or directly in the project system. Budgets can also be distributed hierarchically within the project structure. If required, you can successfully release budgets and post updates such as the budget supplements or returns. Budget availability control enables you to control cost actively by issuing warnings and error messages and when tolerance limits of the budget are exceeded because of assigned values. Confirmations. So you can use confirmations for in the CADs as well as individual confirmations. In the execution phase of project, confirmations can be used to document the actual work performed and the progress of individual work packages. Using confirmations, you can also enter forecast information such as the remaining work or duration. Because of confirmations, the dates and capacity requirements of your projects will be adapted and actual costs are posted automatically to the project. Project system provides various confirmation options, including individual and collective confirmations, integration to the cross-application timesheets or external interfaces. Project-related procurement. This is where we can use ProMan and progress tracking, where reservations or purchase requisition can automatically be created for a project based on your material and external service planning. You can easily track all follow-up in-house production and purchasing process related to your project, for example using the ProMan or progress tracking. Commitments and actual cost. Because of the purchasing documents, material movement or invoices are automatically posted to the project. Validated project stocks help you to manage and evaluate material in your project independently if required. Cost integration and billing. Execution services and resource related billing. Cost actually incurred are posted directly to your project by account assignment of documents in financial accounting, controlling or material management, for example. It will be using your execution services and also directly post various documents in easy cost planning based on planned values. Cost of orders assigned to your project can be analyzed in project reporting and will be checked against the project budget. Milestone billing and resource related billing can be used in customer projects to control billing process based on the project progress. Project progress. So we will be using a tool called Progress Analysis Workbench and Milestone Trend Analysis. Here, milestone trend analysis and progress tracking can be used to effectively monitor the project schedules. Progress analysis in project system provides several methods and interfaces to derive and analyze the POC and other project progress values of your project or individual work packages. Using the progress analysis workbench, you can easily monitor and enter all progress related data for several projects simultaneously. Forecast values can be calculated or entered manually using the forecast workbench, for example. The one more most important feature is called as a period end closing, where you can calculate the overhead calculations and using the schedule manager. You can perform various period end closing procedures on your project to ensure that all project belong to a period is determined and available for purpose of the enterprise control. Typical period end closing procedures, for example, are overhead calculation, template allocation, project interest calculation, progress and result analysis, project related incoming order analysis, and settlement. You can use the schedule manager to easily plan, carry out and control of your period end closing procedures. Finally, we are coming with a project reporting where we will be using different methods of the project reporting tools. Project System provides various standard reports to real-time reporting of financial and logistical project data as well as predefined BI content. Using report-to-report interfaces, you can directly navigate from one report to the other more detailed reports. You can also define your own reports and queries depending on your reporting requirements. Project system reports include like project and individual structure reports, resource and material reports, hierarchy, cost element and line item reports, claim and project progress reports. So this is a small demonstration about the product and have a great day. Thank you.